Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the audio in the Crunchyroll lagging behind the video or playing ahead of the characters' mouths moving? Here's the fix. First, pause the episode, skip forward about 10 seconds, then rewind back to where you pause. The small jump forces the player to resync the audio and video tracks and fixes the vast majority of sync issues instantly. If that does not work, force close the Crunchyroll completely from your recent apps and then reopen it. Since a fresh restart session reloads both tracks cleanly from the start. Next, go to your settings app and go ahead and toggle your airplane mode on for about 15 seconds. Then turn it back off. Since an unstable connection while streaming is one of the most common or specific common causes of audio drifting out of sync over time. If the drift keeps happening on the specific episode, go to your settings again, go to general, go to iPhone storage, scroll down and find Crunchyroll, tap on it and then tap offload app. Next, go to your app store and then reinstall it fresh from the app store to clear a corrupted playback cage. So all you've got to do is skip forward and rewind first, then force close and reopen, reset your connection and reinstall if proceeds, audio and video sync back up, and that's it. Subscribe.